Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at some point, the issue of forgetting where we save an important file on our computer. It can be frustrating searching through countless folders trying to locate it, right? But fret not, because today we have the perfect solution for you. Let's talk about the solution now. By using the built-in search functionality on your computer, you can easily locate any lost file within seconds. Simply type in the name of the file on the search bar and let your computer do the rest. Whether you're on Windows or Mac, this handy feature will save you time and effort in finding that elusive document or picture you need. Now, if you happen to remember some keywords from the file, or even a file type, you can narrow down your search even further. This solution is a game changer when it comes to organizing your digital files efficiently. No more scrolling endlessly through folders, just a few clicks, and you're reunited with your missing file. In summary, the next time you find yourself in a situation where you can't remember where you saved that important file, remember the power of the search function on your computer. It's a quick and effective way to locate any lost file and save you from the headache of manual searching. And with that, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite file finding hack. Thanks for watching.